In addition to read-only access to your banking data, the Investec Accounts Information API also allows you to perform actions against your account programmatically. And this includes making a transfer to your other Investec accounts or making a payment to a beneficiary. So I'm going to show you how to perform those two actions using the Postman collection. To make a transfer, the first thing you're going to do is retrieve your accounts and your account IDs. We have another video and guide that you can take a look at in order to see how to do that. So we'd like to then take note of our account IDs, both for the account that we want to transfer money from and the account that we'd like to transfer money to. The first step in Postman is then to head over to our variables tab, and we're just going to set our account ID here. So this is the account from which you want to transfer, your funds. And then we're going to head over to the accounts folder and to the post transfer multiple query. If you then have a look in the body tab, you'll see there are 4 fields that we need to enter here. So the first one is the beneficiary accounts ID, and this is the account to which you would like to transfer the money to. We then also have the amount, and this amount is in rands, and then we have my reference and their reference. So my reference is the reference displayed on your transaction description, and then their reference is the reference displayed on the recipient statement. And we're going to hit send, make a call to the API, and make that transfer. To make a payment using the API, firstly note that API payments can only be made to beneficiaries that have been created on Investec Online and to which you've made at least one payment using Investec Online. So to get started, we're first going to retrieve a list of our beneficiaries by navigating to the beneficiaries folder and to the get beneficiaries query. Just ensure that you have authenticated by pasting your bearer token into the variables table. We'll then hit send on that call. There's no additional parameters that are required, and you'll be provided with the beneficiary IDs of all of your beneficiary accounts. So make sure that you note which beneficiary you'd like to make the payment to. We're then going to head over on Postman as to our variables tab and just insert the account ID. So this is the account ID from which you would like to make the payment. And then we'll navigate to the beneficiaries folder and to the post beneficiary payments query. So this endpoint can receive an array list of payments and therefore is able to process multiple payments at one point. Next, we'll navigate to the body tab, and you'll see 4 fields here that we need to set. The first is the beneficiary ID. So this is the account that you want to make the payment, to which you would like to make the payment. You then have your amount. This is in rands, and then you have my reference, which is the reference displayed on your transaction description, and their reference, which is the reference displayed on the recipient's transfer statement. And we're going to hit send to make that call and to make a payment.